Do you feel the vibes?
Renault has revealed a more powerful version of the Zoe. Called the R110, it gets 107 bhp from its new electric motor. As scooped by Autocar earlier this month, the model has 16 bhp more than the existing R90. The R110 is claimed to provide better rolling acceleration, shaving 1.8 sec from the R90's 12 sec 80 to 120 kph 49. 7 to 74.5 miles per hour time. Off-the-line performance is said to be identical to the R90's because the R110 produces the same 166 pounds-feet of instantly available torque. It's also expected to have the same range as its less potent sibling, although Renault is waiting until WLTP results are compiled before providing final numbers. The R90's quoted NEDC range is 250 miles, with a claimed real-world range of 190 miles. Renault said the added grunt of the R110 comes thanks to power electronics-related innovations, so it brings no weight or size penalties. The R110 also now comes available with Android Auto smartphone mirroring, bringing Android-compatible apps such as Waze, Spotify, and Skype to the car's infotainment system. In addition, Renault has added a new dark metallic aconite shade to the Zoe's color palette, as well as a new purple pack interior finish that adds violet upholstery and violet satin to the dashboard and interior trim. Following a public debut at the Geneva Motor Show, orders for the R110 will be taken from the spring, with first customer deliveries scheduled for the summer. UK pricing is yet to be confirmed, but expect the R110's higher power to edge its entry-level price close to £20,000. Alpine 110 Cup revealed ahead of 2018 racing season. The new R110 motor brings Renault's tally of electric power plants to 5. Its other motors produce between 59 bhp and 91 bhp and are fitted to the Zoe, Kangoo Z, Master Z and Daimler Smart electric drive models. Renault's boosted Zoe comes at a time when the model, which was launched in 2012, continues to grow in popularity. European sales totaled 30,134 last year, which represented an increase of 88.94 on the year before. This mirrors a trend seen across the electric car segment. Sales of electric cars in Britain surged last year, with 13,500 EVs sold in 2017. Electrified cars, including hybrids, surged in demand by 34.8% from 2016.